My name is Niori. Today is a very significant day. We'll be going to Nauriteli. She's from Namuka, Rabuka, Magawata. The reason why we are doing this today is to signify and pay respect to our elders and what they have passed down to us, the generations for today, the youth, as in keeping our culture and heritage alive. Naka.
Bula Naka. My name is Kaltuni. We are here at Lampasa. As you can see now, we are going to do our Wagyu Naka for Meke, Niori's Meke.
We're just going to Rabusa's grandmother just to thank her for teaching us this wonderful Meke. It's important for us to learn the Meke from these elders, and it's very, very important for us to always go and thank them for it.
Ramai babi ni bina biya we. Ini take. Oh, ndo bolangan nggak demeke. Sulver. Ike nakani macam itu ike. Sengen itu nakai seka. Bukan dole tak kabino. Biya. Itu nakanu mutangi. Ano man ke mundo ni dongon. Dongai tak kabatu biya na itu. Umara wala nga buah. Isa, ena buka di buling nga ba ito. Ena kami yung na ito.